Who likes thick chocolatey slime? Me, 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 me. I love chocolatey slime, even though I've only made one chocolatey slime. This is a super thick, like, it's really thick, pretty thick. It's not super thick, but it's like thick enough to where you really like it. Slightly glittery. And it makes horrible clocks, but it might make a few clocks for you. Kind of clicky, mostly thick and chocolatey. It smells legit. Like, if you have smell-o-vision, smell that. Okay. If you had smell-o-vision, then you would know how good it smells. Then it makes a satisfying noise when you rub it in your hands. And then it feels like it's going to stick to your hands. It starts sticking to your hand. But the next thing you know, it's not really sticking to your hand. Hardly. And like, it's super stretchy. But this is like my restock for December 17th restock. So this is a restock, my first restock. It just clogged. If you like leave in your fingers for a long time, it'll clog. It clicks a lot. Wait, I'm gonna get my fingers good for a clog. Okay, I hope you heard that clock, because it did clog. And it feels kind of like powdery when you stretch it out and rub the stretch part. Like, and gently touch the stretch part. It feels sort of powdery. It's really cool. This is called liquid cocoa powder. I'm probably going to change the recipe just a little bit, which will probably make it a little bit thicker than it will be in my first restock, so yeah. I will restock on Friday. Even though it opens on a really stupid day. Rodent_slimes. And the description should be, no rodents were harmed in the making of my slimes. If you look, there's like there might be little chocolate bits. By the way, don't eat them, but they're real chocolate bits. Because I thought that'd be cool. You're only 15 and I... Whoa. It doesn't leave any scent residue on your hands either, so it's a pretty good slime. This one is it's barely even thick. I just honestly want to say it's not thick, so it's pretty much not thick. It is a beautiful, periwinkle blue. It's like, you know how some periwinkles are more purple than blue, and some are more blue than purple? This one is more blue than purple, so you might not even be able to tell that it's periwinkle. But it is periwinkle. It's a very pretty periwinkle. You cannot see it on camera, but it's super stretchy, super drizzly, super clicky. Really, kind of clocky, but real clicky. the second I'm talking about it being really clicky, it's like not clicky, so let me just click it. Okay. So guys, this is an OG super good slime. Like, this one deserves the light. Look, it's like this really bright blue. And it's just like, life. You need this slime in your life. I know I haven't played with Simpsons Donut by Simply Sammy, but she says you need it in your life. I've never had it in my life, but I have this one in my life, and it's beautiful. My life is beautiful because I have the slime in my life. Since I have the slime in my life, means I am a true member of the Blank Fam. Until, by the way, it's really glossy. Really glossy, OG slime, and just really stretchy and really squishy. I'm actually recording this from the YouTube app, iPhone, right now. It's a really glossy. By the way, this is limited edition. It is melted ice, limited edition for winter. There will also be a few other winter/Christmas themed slimes that I haven't got to making yet. But we're gonna go ahead and do some ASMR in my next video. So go check out my next video to see some ASMR with this one thick bit. But it's not really that thick. It's just really feels thick. But it has no cornstarch, nothing. Just water, food color, and glue. What I meant to say, I imagine all time low, 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 low,